So this is the review about the multimedia speaker which I bought recently. Okay, this has got almost 600 reviews and is not that expensive as well. As I bought it for 455 rupees and they added additional 90 rupees for delivery. So as you can see, this is what it should look like, and I got it a couple of days back. I haven't opened the package yet, so let us open it and see what is the condition, and let's connect to the laptop and find out how is the performance of this speaker. So this is how it looks like in the package. Okay, it's a small box, so let's open it up and see how it is. As you can see, this is the box. It's correct box, and I see different color speaker. I had ordered, I think, the black color one. Let's see what they have packed. Yeah, it's packed black color only. It looks exactly like whatever I just showed you in Flipkart. So let's open this package and connect to the laptop. Okay, as you can see, it is loud and clear, but this was the maximum sound which you can hear. I put it as the maximum, so not that big loud, but it's manageable. And if you are in another room or something, it might be difficult for you to hear actually. Okay, so for a single room, this is a pretty decent sound. But one important problem what I found is that it requires a USB connector. Okay, so it has to be charged through USB, which it's not mentioned in the Flipkart. So if you go to the specification, they haven't mentioned that it requires a USB connector actually anywhere. Okay, so that is one of the thing which you people need to understand before you buy this product, because if your requirement is directly to connect to maybe a mobile, or maybe directly connecting to a tape recorder or some other way other than laptop, then you need to have a USB charger actually, then only it will work. Okay, and I just removed the USB charger, still it doesn't work. So it's not just the audio out, it's really the one which powers up the speaker. Okay, so that is one thing which you people need to keep it in the mind. And they haven't provided any adapter which you can connect to directly to your power supply. Normally speaker will be having some adapter which you can connect directly to the power supply, and that is 220 volt, so that you can listen to music without connecting it to laptop or other USB connector. Okay, so that is one important thing which you should be keeping in the mind. Other than that, I find the speaker look and feel okay, not that great, but okay. Okay, so it's small, and whatever review you have seen, that is pretty much correct only. So you can keep it anywhere, and its sound is very clear. So if you're planning to buy this, go ahead and do that, but yeah, keep that in mind. You need a USB connector so that it can be powered up. So all the best guys, have a great day ahead. Thank you for listening to this review.